Okay. Yeah, I just want to show the cab, that's all. This is a neat, this is cool. Too bad we can't write it, but...
Look at this, they even walled off the back door.
Oh, wow. Oh, there used to be a door back there?
Yeah, well, yeah, but they haven't used it in a long time, so they just walled that off.
Okay, well, this is it. We cannot write it. There's even a sign there that says you can't.
You want to get a close-up view? I might want to get a close-up view of that.
The sign. Yeah.
You're good now?
Yeah, you go ahead. Oh, wait, I want to show the interlock. Oh, they have a blue interlock. That is really interesting. Wow. Okay, you can close it back up.
This was installed in 1985 and was modernized at a certain point. Yeah, out of respect for the lady, she doesn't want us to be playing on this thing, so we're gonna close this up and be done with. I'm gonna slam that. These are EMS biparting doors.
Here, I can. Oh, you got it? Okay. Gotta close it.
These things are so heavy.
There we go. And
That's
one
it.
more view, and that is it.